Hello everyone, my name is Ksenia and today we're going to go over what goes into a credit score. So the top 3 items that go into the credit score are the payment history, the amount owed, and the length of your credit history. Those 3 items account for 80% of your credit score. The remaining 20% go towards the types of credit you have and the amount of new credit that you've had. So we'll start from the smaller ones. So the type of credit that you want to have at least 3 types of credit. So you want to have like a car loan, house loan, credit card, store credit card, student loans. You want to diversify as much as you can so that the banks can see that you're able to keep up with your bills, even though that they're different type of entities that are charging you. Banks love it when you use them, and they love it when you use them well. So they're going to prioritize the people with the higher credit scores who use them more often because they want to have you keep coming back to them all the time. The most important is worth 35% of your whole entire credit score. So as you can see, 35% is a big chunk of it, but it's still way less than half. So if your payment history is not that great, if you have a lot of late payments, then you can focus on the other aspects of the credit score, and that will help you out, and that'll help bring your credit score up. The second biggest chunk in your credit score is the amount owed, and that constitutes 30% of your credit score makeup. So you always want to use less than 30% of your credit line. So just make sure you're paying off as much as you can every single month and you're keeping it below 30% of your credit line. That's kind of the magic number for credit cards. The third biggest chunk of your credit score is the length that you've had your credit. So this is really important for people who are going to college and who aren't really thinking about credit cards. The earlier you start, the better your credit score is going to be when you actually start considering using your credit. So I was really lucky when I was growing up because I got a credit card when I was very, very young, and my parents put me on my car loan. So that helped me build credit very, very quickly because they made the payments, and I was able to have a very, very good credit score because of that. So if you can get your family to put you on as an authorized user or as a co-signer on a car loan, or if they can help you out with your credit card, just make sure you do something very, very young when you start out, because you want to have a credit history for as long as you can, because that constitutes 15% of your credit score, and it's the easiest thing to do to just go on, open up a credit score, and just hold your credit card for forever. You don't have to use a lot of it, just keep using it here and there just for gas, or you can get good ones for mileage and get some good travel miles. So yeah, and last but not least, like a quick little tip about travel cards is there are different credit cards that are ideal for certain people depending on the usage that you use. I personally love traveling, so I researched a bunch of credit cards out there that offer very good rewards. So I got a Chase Preferred credit card, and it's the Sapphire Preferred one, and it's $90 a year, but I have already racked up so many points and it's awesome. I am flying to Spain for free, which is just incredible. So like, if you can get a travel credit card, I would highly recommend it, because you want to be getting a credit card that's benefiting not only your score, but it's also benefiting you with other fun rewards that you're going to want to use, and it's going to encourage you to keep using it in a healthy way. But yeah, just if you have any questions about certain credit cards that are the best ones for you, I can send you to some resources and help you figure out which one is a good one for you. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in to my Tuesday tip. And this one was about credit scores, but I'm going to have a variety of very different ones each single week, most of them related towards finances, real estate processes, and stuff like that. So if you have anything you want me to touch heavily on, then please send me a message, and I would love to do a video on it. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.